In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or enable shift lock in Roblox using your PC. It's a quick and easy setting that can really improve how you control the camera while playing. So first, once you're in the home page, choose any game or experience. And once done, click play. Inside your chosen Roblox game, press the escape key on your keyboard to open the in-game menu, or click the Roblox icon at the top left corner of the screen. From there, click on the Settings tab at the top of the screen, and then look for the option labeled Shift Lock Switch, and make sure it's set to on. So this enables the feature in your current session. After you've done that, click Resume to return to the game. At first, nothing will look different, but now when you press the Shift key, you'll notice the camera locks behind your character. You'll also see a small icon appear just to the right of your avatar. This lets you move the camera freely without needing to hold down the right mouse button, making it much easier to control your view. So that's all you need to do to enable shift lock in Roblox.